Hey folks, it's time for our Wednesday edition of Living Soil and Worms, and this week we're talking about why vermicompost, compost made with worms, is in a league of its own compared to regular compost. You've probably heard that compost improves soil, adds nutrients, and helps plants grow. And that's true, but when worms get involved, everything changes. Let's break down what makes vermicompost such a powerful upgrade over your everyday pile. Worms are microbe factories. Normal compost relies on heat and decomposition to break down materials, but worm systems do it through digestion. As food scraps and organic matter pass through a worm's gut, they get coated with enzymes and beneficial microbes. That means every tiny granule of vermicompost is alive with billions of active organisms ready to go to work the second you add it to your soil. Let's talk about nutrient availability on demand. Traditional compost contains nutrients, but they're often locked up in larger organic molecules that still need time to break down. Vermicompost nutrients are already in plant-ready forms: nitrates, phosphates, and other soluble minerals that roots can access instantly. Think of it like switching from slow mail to instant delivery for your plants. Then there's the magic of worm mucus. Yeah, it sounds weird, but it's one of nature's greatest gifts. As worms digest material, they coat it with a thin layer of mucus that holds moisture and protects microbes from drying out. That sticky layer keeps your soil hydrated longer and helps microbial populations thrive even in tough conditions like our Las Vegas heat. Vermicompost naturally builds a balanced ecosystem of fungi and bacteria. You see, regular compost often skews toward bacterial dominance, especially if it's made quickly or gets too hot. But worm compost, well, it's produced at lower temperatures, allowing both fungal hyphae and bacterial colonies to grow in harmony. That balance creates better soil structure, improving airflow and water retention for your plants. If you find this type of stuff interesting or useful, do me a favor and like, share, or join our community in the description for more tidbits of information. Now let's get back to it. One of the biggest advantages of vermicompost is its disease suppression power. Those beneficial microbes we talked about don't just help plants grow, they also defend them. They outcompete harmful pathogens for space and resources around the root zone, forming a natural protective barrier. It's like having a built-in immune system for your soil. Plants grown with vermicompost consistently show stronger root systems, thicker stems, and more vibrant foliage. That's because worm castings contain natural growth hormones and humic substances that stimulate cell division. It's not fertilizer, it's biology doing what biology does best. Compost is a great foundation for any soil, but vermicompost is the premium version. It's more stable, more microbially diverse, and more nutrient-dense. You can think of compost as the base coat that builds structure, while vermicompost is the finishing touch that brings your soil to life. When you combine the two, you get a 1-2 punch of organic matter and living biology, creating soil that feeds itself, resists disease, and supports thriving plants season after season. Oh yeah, and now that you have the 1-2 punch, don't forget to protect your investment with a layer of mulch. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next week.